What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a brand new video, and welcome back to my tiny garage. Still have the Christmas tree on top, as it is the Christmas and New Year's period. And today it's a big day. I'm finally gonna start rebuilding my Widebody Golf since the accident I had. So this will be part 1 of the rebuild series. I don't know yet how many parts it will be, but probably more than 1 and more than 2. So today I'm tackling the back side of the car. As you can see, I've already taken the wheel off, and well, some of the putty did fall off while driving. But as you can see, it doesn't fit nicely anymore, and that's only due to the fact I used fiberglass on only this one panel. So that's giving me a hard time right now, and that's from the inside of the wheel well. So let's have a look down here. Yeah, it's kind of working against me. I get to clean the inside of the wheel well, try to get as much of the fiberglass out as possible. Also, all the parts of putty that are hanging loose, I'm gonna try to crack off so they do not interrupt with me trying to reglue this part. Grab some cutting discs for my Dremel tool, which will help me clean out this mess. Well, that's about it, but I'm gonna first start with trying to clean out the inside of the wheel well. This is going a lot better than I thought it would go, so that's pretty nice. I think I almost have everything right now. So that proves that wasn't a good way to mount it as well. Well, my work at the bottom is already done. It went a lot quicker. It was only a few of these, and they didn't really stick that good, so that went pretty quick. Now I gotta try and get some of this putty that's cracked off, so I can cut into the seam, get all the silicone, the white stuff you see here, taken out, and have a way to remount everything. So I got everything, the whole seam, nicely cleaned up. Just up to here, because from here on it's still strong. So this whole part needs to be re-glued. I use a silicone called No Nails for that. It has a strength of about 400 kilos, which is around 800 pounds. That's good enough for that. Grab myself some tape. So I'm gonna pull the part open, spray some glue in between, push it right to the body of the car, then tape it down, and immediately after that I'm gonna be siliconing the inside of the wheel well. So that's already shut because I got to take the car to work today, and I want it to be closed off, and I think it will dry just quick enough on the surface to be able to drive it to work today. So on the outside, as you saw, I pulled it a bit apart, sprayed some, well, I'm gonna call it mounting glue in between, and then made it nice with my finger and cleaning it off. So now it looks like this. Pretty nice and flat. Everything that is too much, it's easy to take off afterwards. The mounting is strong, but removing it is also pretty easy, so that makes it nice. On the inside, I also went and sprayed some extra in there, but these holes will still need to be filled, so that's what I'm gonna do next. But first I'm gonna let these dry for a bit, so the mounting glue can dry nice and strong, and then afterwards I can get everything nice and shut from the weather, so I have no holes inside of my wheel well.
One eternity later.
Well, a few centuries have passed since I put on the mounting glue, that's what I was gonna call it. Cleaned up a little bit and did some other stuff, so now it's time to be gluing the inside of the wheel well. So I'm gonna put the camera down under the car. So I did remount the wheel to be able to get the car back in the garage, because now the garage is open a little bit, so I have a bit more space here. So now I can move it back, and when everything's dry, I'm gonna go back to the inside of the wheel well to clean that up a bit. For the front, I still need to wait on the insurance company because I still have not heard anything from them. So it's pretty much a waiting game right now. Guys, if you want to be following this rebuild, be sure to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell to be notified when I upload. If you did like this video, be sure to leave a like, hit that thumbs up, and guys, I will see you in the next one. I'm out.